Heavy rains in Niger have caused flooding that is threatening a population already facing severe food crisis. VOA's Scott Stearns has that story.
The river Niger has burst its banks, flooding fields of vegetables and rice and displacing at least 5,000 people around the capital Niamey. If the heavy rains continue, another 20,000 people are at risk of being driven from their homes. The United Nations and the aid group Oxfam are helping improve sanitation for those displaced by flooding by providing hygiene and cleaning kits and installing water tanks in communities where they've been temporarily relocated. But feeding those people is complicated by a food crisis across Africa's Sahelian region that's affecting nearly 10 million people. Gilbert Masumbuko is Oxfam's Director of Emergency Programs in Niger.
We're trying to give everyone displaced by the flooding a food voucher worth about $7. This allows people to buy their goods from the vendor of their choice, and we're also helping people buy food for their cattle at reasonable prices.
Ramatu Posi lost her house in the flood and now lives in a temporary shelter.
We've been here for 11 days and we haven't received any aid. Nothing. No rice, no mosquito nets, no aid that was distributed around here.
Flooding compounds the humanitarian crisis in Niger, where 1 in 5 children are already facing acute malnutrition in the areas most affected by food shortages. Scott Stearns, VOA News, Dakar.